Now that's why we say have your babies early. Not that anybody listens. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Vaishali Bharambe, Professor Anatomy. And today we're going to discuss oogenesis. Oogenesis, where does it occur? It occurs inside the cortex of the ovary. When the primordial germ cells began their journey passing towards the developing ovary, when these primordial germ cells multiply, they begin to form oogonia in the cortex of the ovary. Oogenesis is a process by which these oogonia form mature oocytes. Clear? So, let's put it in a chart format. Primordial germ cells, mitosis, oogonia. More mitosis, oogonia. More mitosis, oogonia. This goes on till one day oogonia increase in size to form a primary oocyte. Got it? Immediately after they are formed, primary oocyte enters into first meiotic division. It goes through leptotene, zygotene, pachytene stages of meiosis 1, but when it reaches the diplotene stage, it goes into an arrest. So now what is happening in the female's ovary? In that ovary, the follicular cells, the ovarian cells, they come and surround each primary oocyte. Can you see that? Why is the maturation inhibited? Because the surrounding follicular cells are secreting an oocyte maturation inhibitor. So advanced maternal age increases the risk of chromosomal non-disjunction during meiosis, leading to conditions like trisomy 21. Drugs, radiation, chemotherapy can damage these primary oocytes, causing premature ovarian failure and infertility. Now, after puberty begins, what happens? So, out of the large pool of 40,000, about 15 to 20 of these primary oocytes are called upon to now go into trying to develop a Graafian follicle and complete the process of oogenesis. Oogenesis is still arrested. Many follicles reach secondary follicle stage, but only one is called upon to go into the next stage to form a Graafian follicle. So this is your mature Graafian follicle. Meanwhile, what is happening? Primary oocyte is still stuck in diplotene. Suddenly there is luteinizing hormone. Role of that luteinizing hormone is to stimulate the primary oocyte. This is structure of a primary oocyte. You need to know it. So primary oocyte, which was arrested in diplotene phase of prophase, completes meiosis 1 and results in formation of a secondary oocyte and first polar body. Secondary oocyte immediately enters into meiosis 2. It's arrested in metaphase. Just 3 hours prior to ovulation, the cell division is again paused. The next step, of course, is ovulation. I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you. Bye.